Hello, today I'm going to make a beetroot and parsnip cake. Beetroot is lovely in cakes. Often you'll see recipes for beetroot and chocolate, but beetroot and parsnip go well, but you could use carrots if you prefer. You can use any other root veg particularly, obviously not onions, but, but a root veg. This one, I've grated the beetroot and the parsnip, they're raw. And in here I have some plain flour. The ingredients will be up on the screen. So I've got some plain flour there. This is a couple of teaspoons of bicarbonate of soda, which is what's going to help it to rise. So that goes in. I'm putting in a pinch of salt as well. Just put that in. And then I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, just to give this a really nice spicy flavour. And 1 teaspoon of ginger. There we go. And then I'm just going to sizzle that through. And just mix that up together and add the sugar, caster sugar, but you could use brown sugar if you prefer. Would work fine. Mix that up really well together. In this bowl here, I have 3 eggs just whipped up, and I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of vanilla essence or extract to that. And make a well in the centre here. And I'm going to add the egg and vanilla mix. And I have got 225 grams of melted butter, which gives it a very nice flavour. So just start to mix that up. And as soon as you start mixing, that bicarbonate is going to start working. So you don't want to take too long to do this. And as with any cake that's made in this way, melted method, you want to be quite quick with it. Don't over mix it, otherwise it slightly toughens the cake. So when I've got nearly all of that mixed in, as you can see, I'm then going to add my grated beetroot and parsnip. And just mix that in quite well too. And this is a really nice cake. It's so easy to make. It lasts well. Well, it doesn't last very well in this household because people tend to eat it quite quickly, but it does last well. And it freezes well too. So once you've got it mixed like that, I'm just going to scrape anything off the spoon. And then I'm going to put it into my tin, which is here. Just push that in, and I've just lined it with one of those little loaf tin liners that you can get, but otherwise just cut out some pieces of parchment paper, just go around the base and up the ends, and then another piece that will go across the base and up the sides, and that will be fine. And it just helps it to get out of the tin, but it also just protects it a little bit from the heat of the oven. So in it goes. And it doesn't matter if it's slightly speckled inside. It will be quite dark when it's cooked, but if you have a few lighter bit, that's absolutely fine. So then just mix this and spread it out a little bit. That's going to go into the oven. It's a fan oven, 150, and it takes about 1.25 hours to 1.5 hours. And that's it. And I'll show it to you when it's cooked.